Hi guys and welcome back to class. So in this lesson I will be teaching you how to work with Adobe Team Project and what Adobe Team Project is all about. Well, Adobe Team Projects actually do help you to make sure that you and your team can work on one team project in Premiere Pro seamlessly. You do not have to edit at the same time. Your saves are in real time and whatever progress you are making shows in real time. So one of this initiative is because Adobe has realized that a lot of people who use Premiere Pro tend to always try to work together, because sometimes you could have 5 heads, 4 heads, and you want to achieve something. So you could be in proxy in different locations and decide that you want to work on one project. Or sometimes you could have started an initial project and you just want to actually make that project become a team project, and so that others can be invited and work on a certain project. So one of the things you need to do is to come to file and go to open team project, or you go to new and you go to team. When you go to new, you go to team project. So in team project, this is what's the name of the project. Let's say we're doing team B. Let's call ourselves team B, and you can decide to add collaborators. So when you want to add collaborators, you're just going to be typing in the name or the email of the person you're trying to bring in. So when you bring this in, make sure they are signed into Adobe and they have their Adobe account, and you click on invite and you press close. So the invite is pending, and when whatever has happened here, the email has been sent to the user and the user can come in on board. So he's trying to invite the email I had given it, and yeah, he has invited the person. Now this project has been converted into a team project. So one of the good things is that when you import media, everything saves in the cloud, and you can also work as well in the cloud. So whatever you are going to be doing here or right now is going to be saved in Adobe Creative Cloud. That means you have a certain storage, and you are good to go with setting up Adobe Teams project. So one of the things you also need to take note of is anytime you are online, it is always saved and synced into the cloud, and you have a different kind of project here. So you have a team B project, and yeah, if you would like to invite more collaborators, you can use the invite button. So you are just going to be clicking this and going to be slotting in the user's email, and there you have it. That's how to get into the Teams project. So this is always fun to work with. You can invite as many as 10 people, 20 people, depending on what you guys are trying to achieve, and everything will be synced in real time. So bye for now. I'll see you in the next lesson.